does one have to do with the other? Well, here are 3 things that you need to know. 1. What is a payday loan? A payday loan is a short-term, high-interest rate loan that in the state of Texas, it can go over 428% in just interest. 2. Why are they dangerous? Well, because a loan of $700 in just 5 months can turn into a $3,300 debt trap. And 3, how do they affect the community and our church? Well, many of those who are stuck in these debt traps are turning to the church for help. Funds that should be used for helping the family or the church are being used for those who are stuck in these debt traps. What can you do about it? You can go to lendjustly.com to find out how you and your church can help today.